A little more is better than not enough, but too much you lose compression by them. And they're making gapless rings now. They've been around for a while. I'm not a fan of them for street cars. If you were in a performance, then I would say, yeah, maybe. Almost. Gapless rings, if you flood an engine, it's possible to get a hydro lock. We're on 16. Perfect. Okie dokie. Another thing you want to do, always check your rings and make sure that they're slightly below the piston. You may get a, in other words, some piston, the ring may be a little too wide for the groove. It don't take much, as long as they just pass there. I guess that's all I got for you guys today.